Hey guys, extraterrestrial guy here. To a lot of you, no, I'm not going anywhere. I've had a lot of, well, not a lot of you, but some of you messaging me on Facebook saying, "Where's the videos?" Well, I'm still doing videos. I'm just trying to pan out to see what it is I want to do, because I don't know. There's just so many. YouTube could just be anything, you know. I want to have your guys' best interest, and I'm just having a little hard time to kind of figure out what it is I want to do that's different. But shout out to Elmer's One Guy's Opinion. He's got a new video editing layout. It's looking actually pretty awesome, so looking good, Elmer. You know, shout out to you. And Guy on the Couch is 27th. And Guy on the Couch is 27th birthday. Happy birthday, you old man. So what I got for you, what I got going on for you guys, I'm gonna do 1 year ago today. I believe it was today or yesterday. I'm pretty sure it was today. I did the no burping challenge, 2-liter no burping challenge. So this year, I'm going to basically see if I can even complete something like that. So I'm going to do 2 7-Up bottles, and let's just say if I can drink both of them as fast as I can and not burp, then, you know, the challenge complete. So that's going to be the challenge of this video. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Now let me get prepared. Yeah, do that. 2 bottles of Sprite, no burping challenge, alright? Yeah. So far, okay. First one. That's one down. Oh god. I don't know how some of these people can do this, man. Those competitive eaters, they can just chug a whole, Matt Stoning can chug a whole freaking 2-liter without touching. That was just one soda, man, and I'm trying like hell not to burp. This is bad. I can't do it. I feel so much better. Oh my god. Well, thank you for attending or watching. Oh my god. I don't want to do that again anytime soon. But your host, the extraterrestrial guy, you know, if you ever watch anything from the extraterrestrial guy, or you liked anything that the extraterrestrial guy put out there, I just want to say thank you. That kind of sucks. I kind of have a stomachache now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm gonna do my best to get more videos out to you guys, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Later.